So let's move on to our next topic. Our next topic is how to create or enter data into a cell. So for this, let's go back to our first cell. Double click on it first of all. Then you can see the cursor is present over here and it is blinking. You can just type here anything you want. Suppose I type commerce, okay? Suppose I type commerce here. Now I want to save this. To save this, I have to press the enter key. Okay, now I am pressing the enter key. Then now you can see that the cell A1 is containing the data, and by pressing the enter key, my cursor has moved downside to the next cell, that is to A2 cell. Okay. Now let's suppose I type economy in this cell A2, and now I click on tab key. Okay, now I click on tab key from my keyboard. You can see that now my cursor has moved on to the right side, that is to the cell B2. And if I type anything here, for example I type law. Okay, for example here I type law and press escape key, okay, from my keyboard. So whatever the data I entered over there is now removed from the cell B2. Okay, when I pressed escape key from my keyboard, whatever the data I entered over there is removed from the cell. But one point to be understood is that the escape key will work only until I have not saved the data. Okay, the escape key will work only until I have not saved the data. For example, I write here law. Okay, see, again I have typed law here, but this time I will press the enter key. Okay, so now this is saved. But now when I go back, okay, now when I go back and double click on it, and now I press the escape key, it won't work. Okay, it is not removed now. So therefore the point to be understood is that the escape key will work only for removing the data only until we have not saved the data. Okay, but after saving, if you want to delete it, select the cell and press delete from your keyboard. For example, let me again click here. I will now press on delete from my keyboard. Now this is deleted. Okay, so till now you understood how to save the data in a cell. Now I will tell you how easily you can navigate to different cells in your worksheet. Now you know that when you are on a cell, you can just press the tab key to move to the right and just press the enter key to move downside. Now listen carefully. If you want to move upwards, okay, then you have to press shift and enter key together. You have to press shift and enter key together. Wait, I will show you. For example, now here I will write hello. Now I want to move upwards. You know that if we press enter, we will move downwards. See, I am pressing just enter, we are moving downwards. But now I want to move upwards. In order to move upwards, I have to press shift and enter key together. Okay, now I am pressing shift and enter key together. We are moving upwards. Okay. Similarly, in the same way, I have told you that when you press tab key, you will move to the right. See, I am pressing my tab key, we will move to the right. Now if you want to move to the left, you have to press shift and shift and tab key together. If you want to move to the left, you have to press shift and tab key together. Okay. And one more thing is, if you don't want to use the shift, enter and tab key, you can also use the arrow keys from your laptop, okay, which will help you to move the cursor to the right, left, previous line and next line. Okay. Now for example, I will write here John. I can also use my arrow keys. I will use the right arrow key. Okay. Now I want to move left. I will use the left arrow key. Okay. I want to go to the previous line. I will use the upward arrow key. Okay. I want to go to the next line. Then I will click the downward arrow key. These are some of the useful and important things while entering data in an Excel sheet. Now I want to remove all these things. So I will select all these. Okay. I will select all this. Right click using the mouse. Okay. Click on delete, or you can also click on clear contents to remove all these things. Okay. And it's gone. Okay. I hope you understood the concept very well.